Gather around, Timmy and Kimmy. Gather around. I'd like to tell you a short story about a shopkeeper who got his Christmas wish.
'Twas the night before Christmas, and the shopkeeper was mad. He wanted success, like big business had. What was their secret? What did they know? How did they succeed? Where did they go? So close yet so far to meeting his goals. In the shopkeeper's marketing, there were some big holes. True digital marketing was the answer at hand. Jolly old Santa concocted a plan. Santa didn't meander. He knew what to do. He gifted the shopkeeper with WebFindYou.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from the WebFindYou family. Ho, 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 ho.